right click, new class, give some package com dot with the main method, new string test. Okay, this is so creating object of string test. You are not putting in a reference because I am not going to use it. Right? Put a constructor. Alt Shift S C enter. So put a constructor. So this will get called, right? When you make the object, this method, this constructor will get called. Okay. So in the constructor, we write the code. Create a string str1 equal to double quotes. You can write directly like this. Hello. In double quotes, you can put string. One more you put str2. So if I say syso str1 equal str2, will it be true or false? I'm comparing this number with this number. Are they equal? What are you getting? Should I come false? In case of string, it comes true. str1 and str2 are pointing to the same object. So the output is true. Why? There's a reason for this. It found that hello, the value is same. Right? It's found that this hello second one is same as first one. So what it will do if you put double quotes like this, you store in something called string pool. Okay? This exists in a string pool. Make one more. str3 hello. Right? And I'll say modify bracket str3. I'm going to use a method called modify. That method is going to modify str3. Make it create method modify. Okay. What is going to do to str3? str3 equal to str3 dot concat guys. Answer sorted. Okay. Inside the method of printing after concatenation. And while coming back also I'll print it. After coming back, now So inside the modifier, I printed it, being concatenated. After returning back from the method, again I'm printing whether it's modified or not. Check it. What happened? Did not get modified. Hmm? The string did not get modified. Inside the method, yes, it is there. Hello, guys. When it came back from the method, you find that the string object has not been modified. What is the specialty about this class string? It's behaving very strangely. You modified it, so it isn't modified. The reason is that string is immutable. In the sense, string is a constant. Once you make it, it's finished. You cannot modify a string. It's immutable. Even your own class, you can do that. Immutable classes are there. You can make it. The string is immutable. And if you really want to change it, really you want to modify the string, so there is another class called string buffer. Use that. Two classes are there: string builder and string buffer. Anyone you can use. So string buffer SBF equal to new. Okay, you can pass that to it, or you can give value also. Hello value you can give, or SBF value you can pass. Because anyway it is constant. Then modify SBF. Okay, create the method. So it's string buffer, it creates the method. So SBF dot append. There's a method called append. This will modify the class object, original object. Check and see. SBF got modified. So if you want to change a string or modify a string, use string buffer or string builder. The difference between those two things we'll see later. But string cannot be modified. If you want to modify it, use either string builder or string buffer. And this kind of passing into a method is called pass by reference. Generally, all classes are passed by reference. But in case of string, because it's immutable, only the value is passed on. Right? If you try to modify it, you can't. It's a local variable, it remains there until it doesn't come back. The original object is not changed. Same with int, double, boolean, all these also passed by value, not by reference. All primitive type passed by value and string also. Every other class passing by reference means the original gets modified. You can finger up the original object because only the reference is passed on. Right? When you're saying something will be passed on to another method, is actually the reference. Means the connection will go to the original object inside that method also. So anything you do to the original object will get modified to the original object, other than string. Remember the string cannot be modified. No use passing to a method and getting modified. Use string buffer or string builder. Make sense? Also that string pull mechanism. Because of this only string pool is there. Because how many objects is there in memory? Any modification you make, it will create a new object. Again, put one extra character, again a new object. Always new object. So data memory. That is the reason it uses string pool mechanism. But it will not work when new string is it. You can write here new string. If you do this, new string, now it is false. Explicitly you are creating two objects. In that case, say new string, it will not do this. It will not go into the string pool. Now it will become normal object. This is if you say new string. Making some sense? If you say new string hello, then it happens like this. If you say double quotes hello, get an object, but it's in the pool. Be careful about this. If you ask a question like this, you know it is false. They'll trick you like this. They'll give like this. See this it's showing it is modified because we said str3 is equal to after concat. This concat returns a string. See, it's returning a string. Always a new string. It takes the original value, concatenates it, and gives you a new string. So if you print this in the local variable, it is a new string. It is not the original object. Whereas in the case of string buffer, it is the original object you are printing now. Right? That's the difference between string buffer and string. There is the append is not given in string. The concat is given, which returns a string. Okay. Now, let us ask the user to give 5 numbers. A number having 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a number 12,345. Single number but having 5 digits. You need to verify it whether there are 5 digits. If the user gives 4, no, wrong. 6, wrong. 5, correct. How will you do it? Any idea what you can do? Write the program first. Write new. Call it regex test. Scanner. New scanner. Enter 5-digit number. Asking the user enter 5-digit number. So string, it's a string only. Input. Always scanner will give string only. If you say next line equal to scan dot next line. We need to rewrite, have some mechanism which tells us clearly it is a number with 5 digits. Fortunately, there is a mechanism called regular expression. Certain set of rules and characters. Right? You validate in the string what style of characters are coming. So it is already implemented in a string. String class is already. The input is already having the method. It's called matches. Okay. So input dot matches. In this, in double quotes, you have to give a string which is a regular expression. See, it's giving a boolean string dot matches. So write a boolean equal to matches what? Backslash d means digit. Backslash d, how many? 5. In curly brace, 5. Okay, but you can't put single backslash because it's a escape sequence. Put one more. So double backslash, two backslashes, d digit, in the curly brace 5. This out. Right and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. True. Run again. 1, 2, 3, 4. False. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. False. So this is for validating number. So 5 is the number of digits in the curly brace, and slash d is the digits. You enter anything else is false. So the very complicated way of validating is avoided. Very simple. Matches the regular expression. That's all. Just one line, and you got the correct result. If you want 5 to 8, 5 comma 8. Can be 5, 6, 7, 8. Not 9, not 4. It can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8, not 9. So you can enter 5 digits or up to, so enter 5 to 8 digit number. Change that. Enter 5 to 8 digit number. 5 comma 8. True. After 8 it will complete. You give 9, it will give false. False. So 5 also okay, up to 8 okay, not 9. If I give 5 comma nothing, minimum 5 should be there. No limit. So this you can use for an ID. Enter ID. Something like this. Means 3 numbers hyphen 2 numbers hyphen 4 numbers. So use the same reasoning to write an ID which is three numbers hyphen two numbers hyphen four numbers. The same package I'm using the hyphen in between. So hyphen will become compulsory. Okay. Suppose the hyphen is not compulsory. Hyphen question mark. See, hyphen question mark is not compulsory. If you put it, it's okay. If you don't put it, still it's okay.